YouTube. What's going on, folks? This is why we're here. Potatoes are almost done, but someone wants to cook some potatoes today, so that's why we're out here. I tell you. All right, he's supposed to be over here helping me, but he's guarding the property. All right, so over here we have the Norco Toa. These are the russets. Normally what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to wait until everything dies, but I can't see much more coming off of this. And I haven't watered this in, say, about a week or two. Oh, not looking good yet. Seed potato. Wow. I think we got baby potatoes this year. I thought we would do better than this. Little puny one. Yeah, these weren't going to do too much more. Seed potato. Seed potato. I'm always happy more comes out than what we put in. I was expecting these to be a little bigger. Are you finished? I guess not. All right, what do you think so far? Dinner? Okay. Well, these aren't the mashed potato ones. The ones that are mashed potatoes are next. Those are good. The red New Orleans. Yeah, so far not bad. Just need to figure out how to get bigger potatoes. Okay, that's it. All right, so if anyone knows how to get bigger potatoes, let me know. Just let me know, because that right there, that's like about 2 meals. So these are the red New Orleans. Red New Orleans. So what I did this year is I tried different styles of growing potatoes. I did some where I did the lasagna style, where you saw the video. If you saw the video, you saw me mix them up, layer. And then I did some where I did from the top. I put the potato at the top and I want to see if it grows down. I think with the issue with these is fertilization. These actually did much better. My goal was to make sure that we didn't buy potatoes anymore, that we continuously grow these potatoes. That was my goal. But it didn't work this year, but this is not bad. I'm going to grow on what we did this year and do a little better for next year. And this is not the only potatoes that we are growing. We are growing sweet potatoes, and I got potatoes in these pots next to me. That video is coming shortly because those potatoes are almost done. Look at that, we're still going. This is the lasagna style we did about 3 months ago while it's like Easter egg hunting. I think we are done. Okay, that's our harvest. Not bad. Next year is gonna be better. These right here will be better, and then I got some over there that's gonna be better next video. Everybody, thanks for watching. Lasagna style part 2 final. done. We out. Peace.